Who in the world let all these horses out? Here's another Mustang. It's a 1966. Ooh, somebody's whoa! Somebody ain't respecting the fire lanes. Remember though, respect, especially these old cars and the owners. They take a lot of time, a lot of pride, a lot of detail.
Well, I got a new roof here. I got to get a new roof here.
Well, I'll tell you, when I got the delivery on the fastback, everything in that thing, I had to completely take that car literally.
Check it out.
But I still
Oh yeah, you can clearly see almost everybody in the car. That is how beautiful a paint job and shine is.
I got a new bowling suit.
I put the battery in the trunk.
What do they call it, bowling and after?
You know, one thing you could do is put this in some really expensive
Enjoy this and many, many more on Willis Talk.